Welcome to another episode of Barely Cooking with Chef Shay. I'm Chef Shay.
And I'm Scarlett.
Today we will be cooking everyone's favorite munchies.
Yes, I can't wait. We're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries, peanut butter balls, and we're going to be making sliders.
Yes, and we will be doing it with 3 different methods of infusing it with medical marijuana.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Alright, let's get started. To start off, we are going to do our chocolate covered strawberries. So you're going to need washed strawberries. We're going to use dark chocolate chips, but you can use whatever you prefer. And then in the last episode, we made Canna-butter, so that's what we will be infusing our chocolate with. We're going to use Horchata protein, and then we're going to infuse that with the dissolvable THC powder. We will also be making one of my favorite snacks, turkey sliders. So you need your Hawaiian rolls, any cheese of choice, but we are using jerk turkey because we both love spice in our life, and a provolone cheese, avocado. And then we will be infusing that with our favorite, the Italian fusion balsamic glaze, and we will be using a syringe of the apple rings.
Yeah.
Alright, and those will be cooked in the air fryer, so get your air fryer ready. Start with the sweet snacks because those will need to go in the freezer for a little while, and by the time we're done with our little lunch, those will be ready. So first thing we are going to do is make the chocolate for the chocolate covered strawberries. I'm going to pour the chocolate in there, and you want it on a low setting because you want it to like melt nicely. Okay, do you want to add the Canna-butter?
Yep.
We're using about a 1/4 cup. All right, so we're just gonna get this a nice creamy consistency. Ready to do the honors? You're just gonna coat the strawberries and put them on parchment paper. Our peanut butter balls. So for that, you need our PB powder into the bowl. The whole thing. And then we'll do 1 scoop of the horchata. Mix it up, and now add the water. So we're making peanut butter, but I guess you could always just use peanut butter. This is a healthy peanut butter, and you can use a dissolvable powder. So your peanut butter mixture should look something like peanut butter. All right, and now we're gonna make our peanut butter balls. This is a water oil mixture, so your peanut butter doesn't stick to your hands. Now we have our sliders. So you need your Hawaiian rolls, your turkey, your provolone cheese, your avocado, your syringe, and your balsamic glaze.
Yes.
Yes, so first we're gonna build them. So we'll each build one at a time. So go ahead and just rip it in half. So first we're gonna build them. Go ahead and just rip it in half. You're gonna do the turkey, a cheese, avocado, and then we're going to infuse balsamic. So we have a hot water bath for our syringe. That way it doesn't come out as thick. So you're gonna mix that up so it's nice and evenly dissolved. So we have our infused balsamic, and now we are just going to drizzle. Go ahead and put it in the air fryer. Yeah. Go ahead and close it. Put it in the air fryer, and then we'll just keep going. Yeah. All right, now we're going to air fry it. Go to air crisp, drop it down to 300, and then drop your time 7. Well, now we finish our peanut butter balls. Now that your balls are nice and cool, you want to keep your chocolate at least on low though, so it stays nice and creamy. You're gonna shape your balls nice and round.
Bite size.
All right, go ahead and roll it on in there. Our munchies are complete. We have our sliders infused with the balsamic. Then we have our peanut butter balls. The peanut butter and the chocolate is infused. And we have our chocolate covered strawberries.
So good.
Yes. Make sure you guys comment below and let us know what you want us to see us cook. And make sure to subscribe to our website to help us find future episodes. How is it?
Really good.
All right, I'll go for the strawberry. Our beautiful strawberries.
So good.
See you next time.